So ये resolution का बस आमगी है इसका बाइजर नॉट इवन से एक नहीं है नहीं खबर नहीं है कौन सा मैं यूज करना ना मुझे बाईपास करना हम लोग नहीं करना हम लोग तो नहीं यूज करना बनता नहीं है यही खबर से resolution
You always say TCP is the most corrupt department in the globe. TCP is the most corrupt department. So you don't think that is corrupt. TCP is the most corrupt department in the globe. So you do your job. That's it.
Property to a house relative or giving it out to migrant population. Let me give you some numbers. 1400 houses as per census 2011. Martha village. Okay? Since I've been all my life in the city, the calculation is very simple. Each lakh into 4. Okay? Now in this village, 20% has grown. This is the population growth. So you have about 1800 houses today, roughly, as per official census. My understanding, I don't know, very limited understanding, if 30% of them are given to migrant population, which are extensions, not houses, extensions, you're actually talking of 720 additional houses, which 3 people each, you're actually talking of 50% of an additional of total population already today. So how will you handle extension of houses where I am, getting my employees, housing them, and there are large numbers, there are 3 or 4, they're stacked at 4 and 5. So one that Jack mentioned, am I going to construct it for my son, my daughter, or am I going to construct it to give it out to rent? How will you actually bring that down? Because that's a very large number. That's actually bigger than your regular project. The amount of migrant population that you actually have today is 5 times the size of the new regular project. That's the number.
No new personal license to be issued more than single unit until the village carrying capacity study is completed. No? This is required, no?
Extension? What about extensions?
No, extensions, that's division.
No, so I can extend the house which is equivalent to Raheja, no problem. If 20% of your houses extend in the next 1.5 years, you have already created 2 Raheja projects.
So we have to mention just no extension as well. Yeah, absolutely. No extension.
No extension. Only technical testing is yes. So I can understand no new personal license to be issued more than single unit until the village carrying capacity study is completed. This is the requirement.
एक्सटेंशन कोणी करते भाड्या आम्ही सगळ्या भाग्या होत आहे ते होत आहे काय करतो ते होतं सगळे भाग्या मोस्टली नो आय साई मारिता गेस्ट हाऊस सो वी डोंट नो लाइक हू विल रेंट सगळे सो दे एक को यार पेज को
गांधी होतो होता बोलता का मी गांधी के पाया कोडे आम्ही पास आहे
सही
ते गांधी नासवा
Yeah.
So we were supposed to take multiple resolutions today, but unfortunately there were a lot of issues. So I don't know why the panchayat wound up the meeting without conducting all the resolutions. There was unnecessary spinning of the same topic. So we passed only one resolution so far, that is of no construction projects of 4 units and above will be allowed in our Varka village till they done the carrying capacity study. म्हणजे आमगे Varka गावा भितर ते सगळे multi dwelling units 4 and above then permission दिवपाना until आमगे carrying capacity study जातली.
4 units किती आहे गेलो?
4 units म्हणजे so we don't want to stop our locals. आमगे locals जे आहे ते घर बांधता जाल्यार and all we don't want to hamper our locals. So for that reason it was discussed to let 4 units and below. 4 units and below will be allowed. 4 units and above will not be allowed.
Today is only one issue.
No, actually, आमगे जायत issue आलो. We wanted to pass a similar resolution like how Para village passed. We wanted to discuss आमगे गावा आमगे पेड़ा डुमटे वो वाड्यान थिंग एक older project है था resort. We didn't get to discuss that. Meeting got adjourned. They just passed one resolution. Zai Bhagwati one day cancelled it, but it's unfortunate. That is why I'm saying we had multiple resolutions that had to be passed, only one got passed.
Your name, sir?
I'm Shoaib Fitaru, I'm from Bhopal.
उसका डिमांड वाढवता आहात. But I'm saying that it's going to go even higher because the rate of growth in the last 2-3 years has more than doubled. So it will be at least 30 to 50%. Second, आमगे switch. If you put जायते building as झाल्या आमगे गोरा साइडी सगळे जायते building as झाल्या they build septic tank आणि soak pit. How? Because आमगे गावा भितर sewage line ना. So they have to build that. All this sewage, how does the septic tank work? All your shit and all is going to go in that tank. The taka भितर वयतलो. And then it will go to your soak pit. मागीर त्या soak pit ने उजो तुगे ground water आसता ते. All your wells are going to get polluted. तुगे सगळे जे बाय आहा ते पेले जावपा आहा. And it has happened.
आमच्या घराकडे सिवरेज कालवाडो ड्रेनेज सोसायटी कितू कंप्लेंट केली पंचायत रिपोर्ट ना कोण एक्शन घेता के ब्रदरला प्लास्टर काढतो लास्ट
So she's got a valid point. So all this is going to go in groundwater. तुगे groundwater पेले जावपा. तुगे groundwater पेले जातले तुगे बाय पेले जावपा. तुगे बाय पेले जातले you have to depend on PWD line. And if you depend on PWD line, 4 hours water is all you're going to get. So that is why we need a carrying capacity study, right? To give us our data. We know, we all know. But that will give us credibility. हम credibility क्यों पा आते हैं?
people are not happy. सगळे आम्ही काम करत आम्ही ड्रॉइंग करत आम्ही आमचे डेमोग्राफी चेंज करत इथे आम्ही तुमच्या बरोबर आहात okay that is what we have to take a resolution which is a good thing फक्त एक clarification resolution जे आम्ही घेत आहे ते मागचे फक्त क्लॅरिफाय करता तुम्ही सांगपाचे की कोण so आता सोयला म्हणते भाषेत until and unless village carrying capacity complete जाऊपर्यंत no more licenses should be issued. Is that right? But I would also clarify. We can put a much on the going का गवर्नमेंट है. एक single individual गवर्नमेंट आता है इनके को लागू करना है. So हम आज से इधर का clarity किया. We have to be careful when we vote.
I very clearly said आपने council लोग गौर मानता don't target them. I very clearly said that.
That is what I want to clarify and clear over that.
Individual people's houses, local chat, villa projects and all, those will be stopped. Villa projects.
Second thing, how do we identify? Suppose I have like a servant license to give one identify that single individual by Bangalore. See, this confusion will come tomorrow. In the highlight might give one license in a operator. So going to have development, get 4.5 years over. Until downstairs to Bangalore. Then I come development. But how to identify that? Highlight from idea to identify over I don't know how to define
whether there is water channeling is properly done or no, whether water supply is there or no. One project in front of my house, survey number 12-3, and another project that is already inspected for construction is come to the panchayat, survey number 12-3 and 12-4. That is already into the panchayat. How is that done? Even then, over there only 4 houses are there. Water supply pressure is not there. Electricity supply properly is not there. Road only 3 meters is there. It is a bottleneck over there. How is another project passed over there? Now over there there are 9 flats are. Occupancy is legal. There is no proper parking there. How is that done? The 6 months now the occupants are occupying the flats. Till now they are present on not even meter. They are running 4 flats running on 1 meter, which is on 1 name of Mr. Pareto. His house was demolished in 2016. And on that meter, 4 flats are running. Because of that, we are facing power short fluctuation. I have complained so many times. Water supply here proper for March, there is no water supply. The pipe over there is not March. I agree that the pipe is strong because there are only 4 houses there. Now 9 flats are coming over there. Now another 12 flats or whatever villas are coming over there. How it is passed? Have you not taken into consideration on that? So I am saying, till this whatever is done, keep that project also on hold.
Madam, you made a separate project here. See, Ram Sabha listen only. General,
I think just with due respect to your saying, I am saying
that Ram Sabha that is a personal matter. General,
this is not personal. This is not personal. Sir, with due respect to you, I said keep on hold.
no, just make a complaint letter. That will be accepted.
You keep on hold this business. Okay,
Ram
project.
Sabha personally cannot discuss the Ram
This is
Sabha.
not personal. How this is personal? 12 flats, 4 villas coming over there. How this is personal? First you restore the water, that much of water supply, road, everything you see, and then only pass. Any flats and 4 villas coming isn't it a big project? So that's what I'm saying. Even this project is already in the panchayat, we for which the panchayat members can come for inspection. Take that also on board.
What you all are saying, according to this, you will look at the population now. Let's assume as population 7,000. By general growth, which will be a growth rate of in the past, if continue that in 2032, 7,000 and 8,000, now these figures are not accurate, but it is a growth. And as per that density will be there per kilometer into low ground line, per square kilometer. As per this, with your with 38 lakh square meters settlement area, your population density is this. So today, let's say your population density is 186 people per square kilometer. That is the population density, and this is a good number because it is a village. As per this, around 120 liters per person Yeah, 120 liters per family per day. Water, this is the water requirement. In this village, is water available? Continuous water is available? No. Okay. One question, what is water? Pressure, low pressure, and intermediate, which is continuous, which is your issue. No pressure, continuous. So, in this data, as per the standard figure, the 100 liters missing here, this is the amount of water required. So, this is 30 lakh liter or 12 lakh liter or 1.2 MLD inside water division. This includes all commercial, residential, and if your population have ultra demand for water, number of vehicles are per person 0.8 vehicle are, that is for capita, every $80 vehicles, the statistics is low. As per that statistics, these are the number of vehicles. Only after
As per the people, and that is where we'll go ahead. That is all. Write the resolution right now.
What is just want to say is it is a people's voice. Gram Sabha or extraordinary Gram Sabha like this, when people are voicing out, it is a majority out here who's telling you it is our voice which has to be taken into opinion and you have to go ahead with the resolution. So I don't think so there is any other higher authority which is required right now.
Always say
And second, for legal advice, Avinash already told us, if they challenge it, you can say that the water report that is given is false. And good enough, you just read it. So you all are safe in all ways. Legal advice, everything is there. So what more you give? Ask for resolution anytime. Legal advice, you can challenge it. Someone, any builder goes and challenges it in the video. We all read that letter. You all read that letter saying that there is a legislative extension question where GS Understand asks how is the water availability certificate calculated? Any builder has to give a water availability certificate. In that, they do not specify the process. They made a reference to a gazette where the process is not mentioned in the gazette. So they are giving fake water availability certificate. And these water availability water should be available. We are talking about laying a pipeline in the but there has to be water in the so that is why on that count, when all the authorities made a project, it is not a government but you have to specify the reason for rejection. It can be roads, 10, 20 reasons, but who are Sarpanch, what your people are asking? No. That is a different thing. What the people are resolution दिया है that write this resolution, we will pass it, read it to us. What we want to say is, Barka Panchayat is going to conduct a carrying capacity study. Until the carrying capacity study is done, no multi-dwelling units or big villa projects will be passed. Just write that, read that, and pass it first. Only that. That's what we're asking. Then we go to the second part.
Okay, हम resolution देते हैं और आपके लिए higher authority का एक पर हम और आपके लिए एक legal advice on that. Okay? Because we can video
legal advice I pass for my money. Last time I asked for those construction licenses to put up on the board. Till today they have not put those up. Saying legal advice. As you try it now.
वो आपने हम इतना वीडियो भी जरा
So is there any voluntary work in Salem? You are an universe for the right.
Okay, we'll take this. So we'll take this resolution. Will you pass it to the higher authority?
I study law. See, one second. I am a law student. You have to speak. Now what we are talking about.
Please silence the record. You guys police are disciplined. कौन होता है क्या कौन है?
What we are talking about is
आमका समुदाय प्रोजेक्ट बंद करणे या घर बंद करणे उनके भाव बंद करणे उनके भुरगे बंद करणे जाल्यार इलीगल स्ट्रक्चर आहे तो मोठे आहे पण घर बंद करितले मुगे कॅपॅसिटी ओके पण बंद करितले मुगे वो क्वेश्चन
in Carbona. This same question in Carbona will be discussed. The data found in the we didn't ask legal nothing. I made it very clear that question will not come in this exercise because of that question this exercise will not come. I only want to know how many people are living in that structure. So it is only that.
It is all protect पंचायत.
We don't know. I don't know.
कित्याक लोकांकूय कळपा जाय बाबा आपल्यागे इल्लीगल आहा तेका लागून दुसऱ्या कोण मानपाक मेळपाना हे डिसिजन घेवपा जाय
The only
नाजाल्यार कोण इल्लीगल मानीत तेका लागून आप मुख्य भुरग्यांनी ताचो करपाक
two data point are in this slightly in the direction structures that don't have common number. But that also we made it very clear on this data no action will be taken.
हेज्या पयलीं ग्रामसभा जाल्ली तेजो 80% एफआयआर आसलो हे लोकांक हे ग्रामसभा थोडे लोकांक जे कोणाक घर बांदून घाले ते सांगितले आनी घर बांदून जायना बांदीत जाल्यार 60% आनी आयज गव्हर्मेंट 20% वाडोवन दितात पयले तेका पयस सुबेज काड जाल्यार फायन कोणाक गव्हर्मेंट
They passed a resolution for individual houses. No. Why I'm saying is pass a resolution, individual houses 100% FAR, if a builder is building 60% FAR, let it
Because
go.
more than 100%
Let it go to court and challenge. You understand my point? Pass the
Yeah.
आज आमी रेजोल्यूशन घेयला आमगे ग्रामसभा आली 24th ऑफ ऑगस्ट सगळ्या लोकांनी स्पेशल एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी ग्रामसभा आनी आमी ते रेजोल्यूशन घेयला अंटील एंड अनलेस आमी विलेज कॅरिंग कॅपेसिटी केले बगर आमी कसली लायसन्स इश्यू करपा नाय मोर देन 4 युनिट्स ते सगळ्या बोर्डाचे दवरले एंड एक्सटेंशन ऑफ कमर्शियल जे आहा कमर्शियलाकू तेंय आमी एक्सटेंड करपा ना मागीर आमी रेजोल्यूशन घेयला आनी आमी सद्दां लोकां बरें आहाय लोकां जाय तशें आमी केलां आयज आनी तें रेजोल्यूशन घेवन आमी लोकूय हॅप्पी जाला आमी हॅप्पी जाला
आनी गांवचे हे काडटले जाल्यार
विलेज कॅरिंग कॅपेसिटी ती करपा तेणा आमगे रिसोर्स पर्सन येयलो तेणे पयलीं आमकां टॉक दिला मागीर बेस्ड ऑन विलेज कॅरिंग कॅपेसिटी सगळे तेणे इश्यूज डिस्कस केले वॉटर इश्यूज गार्बेज वॉट एवर इट इज तेणे सगळे इश्यू डिस्कस केले आनी ते आतां आमी करपा आमी रेजोल्यूशन केलां आमगे आख्खे बारका विलेज आमी विलेज कॅरिंग कॅपेसिटी स्टार्ट करतली आनी तें करपा आमी एक टिमूय अपॉयंट आमकां ऑलरेडी BTC लायक विलेज डेव्हलपमेंट कमिटी आहा तेका आमी ते हितून इनवॉल्व करतली आमगे पंच मेंबरांकूय आमी इनवॉल्व करतली ही विलेज कॅरिंग कॅपेसिटी हे करपा ते आमी जियो टॅगिंग करतली एक घर आहा ते आमी जियो टॅगिंग करतली आनी हे अनलेस एंड अंटील हे विलेज कॅरिंग कॅपेसिटी कंप्लीट जायना आमी कांय लायसन्स इश्यू करपा नाय द न्यू लायसन्स आनी कमर्शियल एक्सटेंशन्स आहाय तेय आमी करपा नाय आनी हे करपा ऑलमोस्ट लायक 1 year or 2 years गोडे जाय तेणें सांगलां एज पर द म्हणजे एक फावट पावसा लागून तो म्हणलो पावस लागून अनएवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ द रिसोर्सीस लागून ते आमकां मातशें डिले करपाक पडटा
आनी कितें इश्यू आशिल्लो
इश्यू दोन